Some strong winds. Wow. Got a pretty bad windstorm here. So we'll see if the how the flowers hold up. That's one of the things that happens in the south. You got some bad storms that just pop up. Probably gonna lose some flowers, but that's what these plants do. That's in fact, that's the way that they clean themselves. The flowers will knock off the dying, but the wind will knock off the dying flowers. And probably tomorrow you'll see a bunch of them laying there. And then the plant will kind of regenerate itself. That's just how it works. You can see it kind of did this damage right here. Wind just knocked down one of the hanging plants here. And it cut it right in half. Look at that. Look at that. There's the rest of it. Just got destroyed. Look at that. It cut it right there in half. It was hanging right there. They can hang on. Some bad winds. Hey everyone, this is going to be a little bit of a different video here. We just had a terrible storm pass through. The winds were at least around 80 miles an hour. And yeah, there was some damage done to the yard. It actually happened. I had the hose right there and I was about to start fertilizing. And I got through fertilizing and watering the bubble gums. And then the wind hit. And you can see it's not that bad. Everything got kind of drenched in rain. Although the rain wasn't that heavy, it was just the wind was nuts. These trees were bending sideways and the elephant ears were going crazy. But probably the worst thing that happened is, again, you can see the flowers, you know, some flowers definitely got knocked off. You see a lot more green than the flowers themselves. Same thing over here. You can kind of see where, you know, it doesn't look as, I guess you would call it, like, you see what I'm saying here? It doesn't look as, you know, bright and popping as you see in the other videos. And right here you can see the same, although you can no longer see the boxes. They're all covered finally. But what took the most damage is not actually the flowers, but the hanging plant. That came down. And when it came down from that hole right there where the hook was, it hit the bar and pretty much severed it in half. So this is the aftermath of it. Hanging there. There's the rest of it. There's the hook. And even a lot of these roses got blown forward. Some garbage cans down there are knocked around. But that's just how it is. That's life. So I don't think this is too much of a setback. but yeah, this thing took a heavy hit. I could still hang it up and grow it again. It's just about 80% of its foliage got cut off. These ones did all right though. And it looks like the Supertunias hung in there. But all right, I'm gonna get back to fertilizing though, because I'm gonna finish the job. I already did these, and I'm gonna do those, and let's get right back at it. All right, see ya.